Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can reset your location on Google Maps. So let's get right into it. So let's say you have your location services on and you want to go back to that location, which is your current location, and view it on Google Maps. For that, you're going to need to click on this button right over here, which is show your location. However, as you'll see, because my location services on my PC aren't on, nor do I have any, as far as I know, I am not able to do that. But doing that on the PC, if you have your location on, and if you have your location on your mobile phone as well, just tapping on that button will take you over to your current location. Now that is how you recenter on your current location. If you want to refresh your location, you can just shut Google Maps off and on again if the maps haven't picked up your current location accurately. And if you're on your mobile phone, I do recommend you manage your settings on your device so that it shows your accurate location and not your approximate location, so that you are specifically on one point of the map. Another thing you can reset is your home and business locations. Just go into your data in maps, and over here in this menu you will be perfectly able to set or reset your home and work addresses, and that is the only way that you can do that. However, that is very handy if you want to keep your home and your business on the map at all times. That is a very useful tool to do, and that is pretty much all there is to it. There's nothing else to say about resetting your location. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.